Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. In this video, we'll be talking about the 52nd International Film Festival of the year 2021 that was held in Goa. So the 52nd edition, where did it took place? It took place in Goa of the International Film Festival for the year 2021. Two important personalities that have won the Indian Film Personality of the Year award. They are Hema Malini and Prasoon Joshi ji. Remember these two names, Hema Malini and Prasoon Joshi. They have won the Indian Film Personality of the Year award for the year 2021 during the IFFI, that is your International Film Fair Festival of India, for the 52nd edition that was held in Goa. So 52nd edition of International Film Festival of India, I told not Film Festival Fair, it is your Film Festival of India that held in Goa from 20th to 28th of November in 2021, and was held in the state Goa. Important thing is it is the 52nd edition. Now if we look at the data, the 52nd edition of the Asia's oldest as well as the largest film festival, that is International Film Festival of India, held in Goa
from 20th to 28th of November in hybrid mode that combines both virtual as well as physical mode. As we know, in today's world, virtual mode is also a part of our daily lives now. So it was held in a hybrid format, that is both virtual as well as physical mode, to showcase the excellence of film art and filmmakers from all over the world while boosting creativity and cultural exchange. Who organized this IFFI? It is jointly organized by the Directorate of Film Festivals under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Question can be asked that under which ministry does this IFFI is organized every year? It is organized under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. And the Entertainment Society of Goa, along with the Government of India or Government of Goa and Indian Film Industry. These are also the part of the organization that together organizes this International Film Festival of India. So, won by whom? It is won by Hema Malini, who is an actor, member of parliament from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, and Prasoon Joshi, who is a lyricist and a chairperson of CBFC. CBFC is your Central Board of Film Certification. If we talk about the opening film of the 52nd IFFI, Carlos Soras, the king of all the words. Just remember, these are the closing film. You don't need to remember them. These are just the extra information. Moving on. ICFT UNESCO, that is your United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, Gandhi Award. It will be given to a film that best reflects Mahatma Gandhi's ideals of peace, tolerance, and non-violence. So, ICAFT's UNESCO's Gandhi Award is been given to a film that will be reflecting Mahatma Gandhi's ideas of peace, tolerance, and non-violence. The award is given as a part of IFFI's collaboration with the International Council for Film, Television, and Audio Visual Communication, Paris. Another very important information that you need to remember is this is the first time this award will be given, that is in the year 2021. From starting of the year, means from 2021 year onwards, this award will be given. That is your Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award. Hungarian film director Istvan Sabo and American film director, producer, screenwriter, and actor Martin Scorsese have been conferred the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award for their contribution to the world cinema. As India celebrated the 75th year of freedom with the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75 young aspiring filmmakers have been given the chance to showcase their creativity at the 52nd International Film Festival. The 75 youngsters, comprising 7 females and 68 male artists, all below 35 years of age, have been chosen based on their exquisite skills in different fields of filmmaking, including direction, editing, singing, screenplay, and among others. The youngest creative minds winner is the 16-year-old Aryan Kumar from the Bihar, who has been chosen for his skills in the film direction. Anurag Singh Thakur facilitated the winners of the 75 Creative Minds of Tomorrow competition at the 52nd IFFI. Then, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh has been picked as the most friendly state for film shooting at the 52nd IFFI. Additional Chief Secretary Navneet Sehgal received this award. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation of the Noida International Airport, and the state government is developing a film city spread over an area of 1,000 acres in the vicinity of the airport at an estimated investment of rupees 10,000 crore rupees. Then next is your 6th BRICS Film Festival. BRICS stands for your Brazil. That means these are the countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, that comprises of BRICS. So BRICS Film Festival was held for the first time on the sidelines of IFFI. Awards of the 6th BRICS Film Festival have been announced at the closing ceremony. Jury consists of 5 members, one from each of the 5 BRICS countries. They are jury chairman Rahul Lawal. Alright, so this jury will be led by whom? Chairman Rahul Rawalji. Then these are the categories of best film. You should know, just take a note of them. It will be very helpful to you. If asked, then you will be having a pre-answer of that. Moving on. These are the name of the jury. If you want to read, just take a screenshot or hold the video and read them. Not that important. Let's look at some of the key point. For the first time during this event, the presence of participation of OTT, that is your over the top platforms, were used. More than 50 films were screened simultaneously on these OTT platforms. What are these OTT platforms? Netflix, Amazon Prime. These all are your OTT platform. That means where a user can watch the film using their device online only. So over the top platforms. For the first time, all the major OTT platforms such as Amazon, Netflix, Sony, and others participated in this particular film festival. Alright, so just remember important. And coming back to the last information, Indian actor Madhuri Dixit participated in the IFFI as a guest of honor. A special tribute was paid at the 52nd IFFI to Sean Connery, the first actor to portray fictional British secret agent James Bond. So, who was the guest of honor during this IFFI? That was the 52nd edition of IFFI at Goa. It was Madhuri Dixit. And if let me revise you once again, who are the two person who have been awarded with the personality of the or Indian film personality of the year award? Who are they? They are Hema Malini ji, and second is your Prasoon Joshi. Important, mark them.
Hello friends, through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी. सो टेक केयर.